Welcome back to WCDC Art. For this project, you'll need watercolor paper, a pencil, washable markers, and a gold permanent marker. You'll also need black cardstock, paintbrushes, scissors, and a glue stick. For our first step, we're just going to take our pencil and draw a rough oval shape. So this shape can have some jagged edges. It doesn't have to be anything perfect and round. We want a natural looking oval shape for our stone. So after we have that shape in pencil, we are going to take our black washable marker and just go over that pencil line. So next we're going to choose a color. I'm going to choose blue, and I'm going to draw a blue line on the inside of my oval shape. I'm going to leave a little bit of space between this line and the black line. If you want to, you can put your color directly up against the black line. You can always change the distance between the lines as we draw more with different colors. And after that first line, I'm just going to go ahead and draw a second line in blue. You can do this line in one of your other colors or keep it in the same color. And now it's time for our third line. So I'm going to choose purple, and I'm going to leave a little bit more space in between my lines than I did before. And I'm just going to try to match the same shape, even though the size will be getting smaller. And as we keep adding more lines, you can switch up the colors and switch up the distance between the lines, but we're going to keep doing this until we get to the very center of our oval. And then when we have just enough space in the center of our shape, we're going to take our black washable marker and add either a line or a little shape in there. So now we're going to take our wet paintbrush and we're going to follow along the black line that we made first. You can go into the second line of color, but we want to kind of keep with outlining. Just like we did with the markers, we're just going to essentially be outlining this shape again, but with a wet paintbrush. You should start to see the marker's reaction with water, and it'll kind of give a watercolor effect. We're going to keep this going until again we reach the center of our shape. Once our water and our washable markers are dry, we can take a gold permanent marker and just follow along some of the shapes on the inside as well as the outer edge. This will kind of give a cool metallic finish to look like a more metallic-y rock, an agate slice. Next, we are going to grab our scissors and we are going to carefully cut out our rough oval shape. Then we're going to take our glue stick and apply glue to the back of our agate slice and then position it in the center of our black cardstock. Thanks for watching WCDC Art.